Extreme wildfires that have been burning through the California landscape over recent decades are disrupting wildlife habitats within the state. New research shows.
It's like trying to put out a blowtorch with a squirt gun.
First it skipped us and it started burning our neighbor's house past us. We thought we were okay. Evacuated anyway, and today came back and the house was gone. SD cards and the smallest things, one bag of clothes and one bag for the animals. And that's about all that would fit.
The fire.